Okay, here we have this sample I received from the brand. This is the 3-level storage unit. Pretty cool. Each level is independent. When you stack them upon each other, they become a nice unit. As you can see, we have a top on the top layer, and then each bin becomes the top for the next layer. What do I love about this? I love that we can get things up off of the floor. And then when in here, because we have the transparent plastic doors, you can easily glance into each bin without lifting, moving, tugging, lugging around a heavy bin. You can see what's inside of it. Each one has handles. And the doors have a magnet at the top and the bottom, so that when you close them, they stay closed and they stay square with the unit. This is such a nice unit, well made, well thought out, so easy to put together. Each one of these boxes folds flat for storage if you want to move it around. If you're traveling with it, you can fold them down flat and then set it up wherever you're going. Lastly, we have 6 wheels that make this easy to move around the room. Some of the wheels lock so that once you get it where you want it, you can keep it in place. Thank you to the brand for this sample, and thank you for watching.